Greetings friends, this is Surendra Sharma here from Eureka Window Systems Private Limited, Bangalore. We are manufacturers of quality UPVC profiles. The reason why we are shooting this video is just to address all our anxieties with respect to the movement of prices. The way they have spiraled over the last couple of months has brought in lots of anxiety and lots of uncertainty. We all know what is the reason for the entire uncertainty which has developed around the prices. Why these prices have shot up phenomenally, astronomically, is simply because the supply chains have been disrupted. The materials are not moving in the way which they have to move because we are all globally dependent on each other for our requirements of raw materials. We are sourcing lots of our materials from Germany, from Japan, from Taiwan, from Saudi Arabia and many other places. Unfortunately, the way the supply chain disruptions together with the shipping issues which we are seeing right now, the non-availability of shipping lines has contributed to this escalation of prices which has been a pain point for all of us. Neither of us is beneficial in this. Neither are we beneficial or neither are you beneficial. Having said this, I also understand that each one of our channel partners, my UPVC window fabricators, my family of fabricators, is also suffering with the pains of having to deal with these entire price hikes. I believe that this is going to stay for some more time. I do not know but we are being told that this is at least going to stay for another 3 months to follow. So we are looking at a few more shocks till December 2021 before it should definitely start settling down. In the meantime, my request is to all of us is to ensure that we actually do the right mathematics while we are extending all quotes. Try to actually renegotiate with whatever existing quotes we have given with a very genuine intent. This is a genuine case. This is a case as good as the face majeure, the act of God clause which you have in agreements today. So going ahead, maybe yes, kindly extend your price validities to all your customers on limited windows of close to around 15 days or maybe 20 days or something like this, so that it keeps you cushioned. We are looking at these price movements, these irrational price movements for the next another couple of months till it really starts settling down. So until then, I am sure we will all scale through this problem together. This is just a very temporary phenomenon. Hope we continue to keep putting in our efforts, and definitely we are going to be seeing very soon. We will be seeing those days where we will once again be back to our old ways. Thank you very much. Wishing all of you all the best, and God bless us all. Thank you.